Hey everybody, it's your pal Pete and welcome back to part 2 of the $1 Million Highway on my Pan America. In this episode you'll realize my fear with heights. I can fly a plane, I can be in a plane, no problem, but when you put me on the edge of something, my body literally freaks out. So you'll get to hear some, hopefully not some salty language, because I try to edit it out best I could, but these mountains were just absolutely spectacular. Unfortunately, my Senna took a nosedive on me and would not record anymore. So unfortunately, you'll hear just one-way conversation of a two-way conversation between Lee and I as we go through all this. This glacier and all this snowfall, this is an area you must go. It is absolutely beautiful. I would just really recommend anybody get up here. Now, as we go through this, I'm going to cut back to the on-bike audio and enjoy the ride. We'll talk to you at the end.
Huh? Yeah. Oh, dude, I'm I am like, my eyes are transfixed on you. I am like scared to death right now. I'm like, I'm looking at you. I can't look to the sides. What is this doing? He's probably like, oh, hell no, I ain't going near that. Oh my God. That's why I'm like, I'm with him. Dude, that is, oh my God. Dude, you're killing us. Just don't do this to me. Speed up. iHeart rate's probably 150 right now. Oh my God. I think he's scared to death like I am about being too close to the edge. Yeah, I'm going to pass you on the inside to going up. Oh, check engine lights back on. Dude. Oh. No, I know that one corner. I'm like, oh, I'm like this is just not. Who designed this? Where's the guardrail? Like this one right here. It's like, oh, I like, yeah. I mean, even though it's still a precipice on the other side, the guardrail makes me feel better. And there it goes. It's like, oh, at least it's not so far down. Oh. Yeah, that one corner. I mean, I'm like, oh, I'm like, just look at the back of the BMW. Look at the back of Lee. Don't look over to the side. Because honestly, if you have, I mean, you know how I am with heights. I'm like, I'm okay if I'm standing there for a while and I get acclimated to it. But like this stuff, when it just sneaks up on you, I'm like, oh, I freeze up. That's the problem. It's like I get transfixed. And I'm like, I can't do that. You know, it's like, you got to turn, dummy. Yeah, well, I can see why. That'd be a good place for a guardrail. Oh my God. I'm over here. Mustard and mayo, my ass. I'm climbing up the side of that cliff. No, you don't have to get out of our way, man. Trust me. Oh, look at this ass. Look. Oh. All right. All right. A little bit of trail braking. Nothing major, just, it's like, at least it's not all sandy. Or covered in cow poop. Oh, golly. Well, I gotta slow down. I gotta slow down. I can't do this, man. Oh. Okay, I take it back. I'm never coming back here again. Yeah. Oh yeah. That'll make it better. Oh. Up over here. I'm just trying to beat you to the bottom. Yeah. Well, it's because. Oh my God. Oh, it is. It's just holy. I'm just. Yeah. Oh man. What the hell kind of sign is that? Like 2 U-turns. Yeah. I'm coming. Yeah. Oh. Well, that's all right, man. I'm okay. I'm just taking my time, you know. It's a type of road where you don't want any gear on your bike. It's like, my rear brake's getting plenty of exercise today. Ooh, look at this. Another, hey, how can I kill you? Yeah, this is Deals Gap, Schmuels Gap. This is way insane. Oh, sure, that'd make it better. Yeah, that's true. You got, yeah, you got a little something to focus on, keep you. Yeah. When in doubt, rip the throttle. Here's the avalanche tunnel. Here's our tunnel. Yay, tunnel. Yeah, I see it. Thank you. Holy moly. Ooh, don't want to wreck there. That would hurt. I know, it's just... I mean, it can't be every year, you know, that they wear out. You know what I mean? Because, oh, they're underneath the old pavement. I could see it on the crack in the old, you know, from the new to the old. That's a sneaky one, isn't it? It's extreme caution again, huh? Ooh, looks like changes. Is it grooved? Yep. Oh, groovy. Groovy. No, this is like absolutely... I've never been on a road like this. What is this guy doing? Yeah, dude, you're... Gosh, you don't just stop in the middle of that road, buddy. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. I can see why people are stopping. There's a huge waterfall. There's a huge waterfall at that lookout there. Oh, tunnel.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little run through the $1 Million Highway. It was an amazing time. I hope I didn't scare you too much, but with my fear of heights, it really came into play with this video. This is the town of Ouray, and it is a cool little town. At a brewery, restaurants, you name it, great place to stop. But it is just a wonderful area. Plenty of these little towns around for you to stop at. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button, and comment below if you've been up there or have some questions about it. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Again, thanks for watching. This is your pal Pete. We'll talk to you in the next video as we head towards the Bonneville Salt Flats.